Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. I'm so excited today because I'm sitting down with the wonderful Jonathon Naef from Balance Family Law, and Jonathon's come all the way down from Canberra to see me and film with me, which I'm so excited.
Nice.
Welcome.
Thank you very much for having me, Karen.
Welcome. So in this video, I was really keen to talk to you about what was the purpose behind setting up Balance Family Law and what makes you so different, because it's such a unique concept.
Yep.
I will be doing some filming with Peppy as well. So,
Yep.
so talk me through how, I guess let's go back and start from your kind of legal career.
Yep.
How you and Peppy met and then what was the reason?
Okay, so Peppy and I actually met about 3 years ago. I actually was a paralegal who was working with her in a previous firm. And we just got on really well together. We had a really good working relationship. We handled all of our matters together, or I assisted her on all of her matters. I was primarily in the family law team. And then sort of as things changed and, we moved firms, I moved with Peppy and we continued to work together. And then towards the start of this year, we thought, want to give it a go ourselves, and it seemed like a really good fit. We both have, different skills that complement each other. So it just seemed like the perfect fit.
Did you enjoy, so what was it about family law that you really loved back in those early days?
That's a very difficult question because everyone asks me that, and I have to think about it a bit, but I think it's more, you're dealing with actual people. As opposed to, there are sometimes businesses involved and that sort of thing, but you're dealing with people who have real issues, and it sort of gives you the ability to problem solve and, I guess, make a difference is a bit of a cliche, except, be there in one of the most difficult times of their life and just be able to sort of lend a hand and help guide them through it.
It's quite a privilege because it is quite a vulnerable time in all of the lives, and that, you're that sort of trusted advisor. So I can absolutely see, why you kind of fell in love with that area. And talk me through the discussions, because when you and Peppy actually decided to start Balance Family Law, you've started in a really different way. You haven't just gone up and, sort of set up a traditional family law practice. So why did you want to do it differently? What were you sort of seeing that perhaps maybe was lacking in more a traditional firm structure?
Yeah, I think that there are a number of different things that we saw. One of them was that family law as an area of practice, it's too adversarial. The system sort of sets people up to be in dispute. And what we've found is that the clients that we were able to help the most are the ones who, they have that ability to, they want to work out things amicably. They want things to be over as quickly as possible. They don't want costs to be racked up to tens of thousands of dollars, and they just want to be able to get on with their lives. They want their children to be happy and have homes and that sort of thing. And we wanted to, build a firm that was focused around those sort of things and, offering those solutions that will give clients the ability to, get in and get out without having to go through the whole rigmarole and all the disputes and everything. If you've got an agreement, then that's great. We don't need to come in and we don't need to tell you, you should agree to this or you can't agree to that because it's too low or too high or something like that. You've got an agreement, that's great. If you agree, let us help you document that as quickly as possible, and so you can get on with it.
And that is absolutely brilliant because, all that research with all the reform and the regulation that's happening in the family courts and that everything that's coming down, you're 100% right. People just need to be able to have people that can advise them properly, get it formally documented so everyone's protected and can move on in the best, most peaceful way. And I absolutely love that that's the foundation of Balanced Family Law. Now, I know that you've also set up some really creative ways that you engage your clients, which we will talk about in the next the next episode. But thank you so much for joining us. If someone wants to contact you to understand more about Balanced Family Law, and you do actually service clients nationally as well, because you're fully virtual and online.
Yeah, we do.
Which is absolutely brilliant. So balancefamilylaw.com.au.
Yep, correct. balancefamilylaw.com.au. You can head to our website, send us an email, hello@balancefamilylaw.com.au, or you can book a call online or an appointment with Peppy and I online as well.
So. And you can actually also contact Peppy through our platform too at legalyours.com.au. So that's brilliant. Thank you so much for joining me.
No worries. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.